In three, two, one. Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Lux Unboxing. My name is Josie, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing from our very special friend Chanel. Now, I have been waiting for these shoes for months. They actually came out last year in 2020, but they were sold out super fast, and it's one of those things where you have to keep waiting. So it's kind of like on the waiting list for it and hoping it would come. And they've been doing like replenishments every once in a while, and finally they're here. So let's go and get started. I cannot wait to show you guys what they are because they're so cute, and I just love that you can kind of wear with everything. So let me go ahead and show you guys what is in this box. The receipt. They came from Beverly Hills, which is kind of fun, right? And you guys know how much I love my dust bags. And I cannot wait for you guys to see. Can you guess what color it is? Because you guys know me and my favorite dark colors. Voila. Oh, one more. Okay. And ta-da! It is the Chanel sneakers in this beautiful black color. I am so in love. I saw this at a girl in La Jolla. She's actually working in designer shoes, and she had them on, and she was a worker, right? So I was like, are they comfy? Are you wearing it for fashion? She goes, absolutely not. I love them. I wear them all the time, and I am just so excited to have them in my possession. Now, a friend of mine has these. She's a nurse, and she loves wearing them too, so that they're super comfortable. I just love the fact that it's very subtle. It's not like in your face with the words everywhere, as you guys can see. It's got that beautiful CC logo right here on top. And in the back, it does say Chanel, but it's black on black. So it's actually really hard to see it. I love Chanel and their small details. Like right here, if you look at the side of the footbed, it has CC here and a CC here. And it kind of matches the back, where it shows that as well, which I really like. And you know, Chanel with all their details, like if you guys see down here below, it's got the super cute quilted pattern that Chanel is obviously known for. And I love the bottom of the shoe. But I think my favorite part about this shoe is the fact that the arch support looks absolutely amazing. Like, I haven't worn them yet or anything, so I'm not sure what they're going to be like, but I'm not even worried because like I said, I've had friends, and that lady at the Nordstrom loves them. But if you guys can see, like, it's got the really cool arch support in the bottom, and a lot of designer shoes don't have that. Like, you spend so much money on something, you can't really wear them because it hurts your feet after a while. So I know that this is going to be one of those things where it's going to be comfortable all day long. So I am really excited about them. I just want to share that with you guys. Like I said, they were sold out for quite a long time, but they are getting replenishments here and there. Now, these are $1,050, so it is pretty pricey for sneakers, but you guys know it's Chanel. So obviously everything is pretty pricey with Chanel, but I think that these are definitely a good find. And they have fall colors coming out. Like, I know I've seen pink and blue, and I think these come also in cream. But I love the logo on here. The newer ones have more of a suede look and has like the big CC, which I'm not really a big fan of, but I just like how simple this is. You can definitely wear it with anything. I am more like a leggings, regular shirt, and just go type of person. So this is definitely a good fit for me, but you can also wear it kind of dressed up and looking cute. So here is the other shoe. You guys can see them together. There you are. And I am sorry if I'm not making any sense. It's really late at night, but I just want to make sure that I unbox this for you guys. So hopefully you love them as much as I do. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and post a picture so you guys can have like the SKU number or whatever. So if you guys are interested, make sure you ask your Chanel SA. They are also available at Nordstrom and Neiman's. I've seen them there too, so definitely ask over there as well. Might be easier to find in the Chanel boutique because these were the last pair. So though also another cool thing that I really love about Chanel sneakers is that, first of all, their laces are really thick, right? Which is really nice. I love that. But they come with another set. So if something goes wrong with your laces or you need to wash them, you can wash these and put these on as well. So that's kind of cute. I like this little Chanel thing on there. But yeah, I just really love these sneakers. I can't wait to wear them and see what they look like. And I hope that you guys love these sneakers as much as I do. It's just super cute and just classy, and something that you can probably wear for a really long time. So it's not like super trendy, but just more like classy. So I hope that you guys like this unboxing. Make sure that you hit like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye.